There's some reliable data to support taking an underdog in this week's divisional round playoffs. But who could that be? Let's take a look.
Yeah, so looking at specifically the matchup of Jacksonville going into Kansas City and looking at DVOAs and expected points added per play, EPAs, this is identified an interesting matchup. So Jacksonville is the 13th overall DVOA team going against Kansas City, which is the number 4 DVOA team. Now, the interesting thing that the model is pointing out to us here is that the pass offense for Jacksonville is number 6 overall DVOA versus the number 1 in Kansas City. Now, both of these teams, though, are bottom 10 in DVOA pass defense. So the model is identifying a matchup here for these teams to potentially be able to trade touchdowns, and that 8.5 number the model thinks is just too big. Now, in addition to that, the model is also pointing out here that there's a potential for an upset for Jacksonville. So it's a little bit of a lower probability play, but with the 350 odds, we think there's a lot of value at sprinkling at money line. So based on that information, the model's identified taking Jacksonville at plus 8.5 and sees even a little bit of value on sprinkling the money line at plus 350.